The oil life monitor in your 2018-2022 Honda Odyssey doesn't just track mileage, it estimates oil degradation based on factors like engine temperature and driving habits. It starts at 100% after a reset and alerts you with a service due soon or service due now message when it hits 15% or 0%. Before resetting, ensure you've completed an oil change, including filter replacement. The ignition must be in the on position with the engine off, and the vehicle should be stationary. Neglecting to reset after an oil change leads to persistent warnings, while resetting without changing the oil can cause premature engine wear. It's a guide, but follow Honda's recommended intervals of 7,500 to 10,000 miles, or 1 year. There are two ways to reset the oil life, depending on your Odyssey's trim level. For most models with a touchscreen, press the Home button, select Settings, greater than Vehicle, greater than Maintenance, greater than Oil Life, greater than Reset, greater than Confirm. For base models with buttons, use the trip meter reset button on the steering wheel to cycle through menus until oil life appears, then hold to reset. After a successful reset, the oil life will jump to 100%, and any service due indicators will disappear. If your reset fails, it may be due to a software glitch or sensor miscalibration, especially after extreme weather. Consider consulting a dealer if issues persist.